Hello children, welcome to Narayana Digital Classes where learning never stops. Today I want to discuss 9th class assignment number 11, topic states of matter. So the first question is Charles law is represented mathematically. So we all know mathematically Charles law can be represented as Vt is equal to V naught into 1 plus T by 273. So this is the mathematical representation of Charles law. So which option? So here it is a fourth option. And next, according to Charles law, what is Charles law exactly? So here Charles law means at constant pressure, the volume of the given mass of the gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. At constant pressure, the volume of the given mass of the gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. So in this, which option is correct means the second option is correct. That means the volume of the gas increases and increase in the temperature at constant pressure. This is Charles law. And we'll move to next question. So here 300 ml of a gas at 27 degrees Celsius is cooled to minus 3 degrees Celsius at constant pressure. So at constant pressure means which law it is? Charles law. So the final volume we should find. So according to Charles law, that means at constant pressure V is directly proportional to absolute temperature. The V by T is equal to constant. So when we apply the two gases means V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. So this is the formula. Here I am going to apply. So here what is the V1 value given? V1 is 300 ml, right? And next T1 is 273 plus 27. So what is the value? 300 Kelvin. And next V2 we have to find. And what is T2? T2 minus 3 degrees Celsius. So minus 3 plus 273. So here 273 Kelvin. So I am applying the values here. So what is V1? 300. And what is T1? 300, right? And V2 we are going to find, and here this is 270. So 300 gets cancelled, and I am taking V2 this side. That means V2 is equal to 270 ml. So this is the final value. What is that final value? 270 ml. So the option is third option. And next we'll move to next question. So if V naught is the volume of the given mass at 273 Kelvin at constant pressure, according to Charles law, the volume at 10 degrees Celsius is, so now only we discuss the mathematical relation. What is mathematical relation of Charles law? Vt is equal to V naught into 1 by T by 273. So Vt is equal to V naught into 1 plus T by 273. So here what is T? 10 degrees Celsius. So V 10 degrees Celsius is equal to V naught into 1 plus 10 degrees Celsius by 273. So here you will get V 10 degrees Celsius is equal to V naught into 273 plus 10 by 273. So you will get V 10 degrees Celsius is equal to V naught into 283 by 270 273. So multiply that here. So V 10 degrees Celsius is equal to 283 by 273 into V naught. So this is the V 10 degrees. That means according to Charles' law, the volume at 10 degrees Celsius will be 283 V naught by 273. 283 V naught by 273. So which option? Fourth option is correct. And next question is, the volume occupied by the gas at absolute zero temperature is. Generally the volume at minus 273 degrees Celsius or 0 Kelvin. So this place all the molecular motions of the gas can be seized. So that means the gas can be converted to solid or liquid. That means total kinetic energy of the molecules are minimized. So this point is called absolute zero or the absolute temperature. So the volume occupied here, the gas at absolute temperature is 0. That is 0. So which option? Second option, right? Thank you children. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.